Hi, I'm Kishore Narayanan, Head of Intertech Software Development, Dubai, UAE. Today, I'm going to speak about newest trends in remote alarm management, and I'll be focusing more onto the role of artificial intelligence in remote alarm management. Traditionally, alarm management systems were manual and required constant monitoring by a team of operators to identify and respond to potential threats. However, with the advancement in artificial intelligence, it is now possible to automate many of these tasks, leading to more efficient and effective alarm management. Artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly important role in remote alarm management, which refers to the use of remote monitoring and control systems to manage alarms and notifications from various devices and systems. In today's times, a complex set of devices and systems are used in remote alarm management. AI technologies such as machine learning, natural language processing, and of course the predictive analytics can enable more advanced and sophisticated remote alarm management systems, improving the accuracy and relevance of alarms and enabling more effective response and resolutions. One key area where AI has made a significant impact is in the detection and analysis of potential threats. Advanced algorithms can analyze vast amount of data in real time and alert the relevant authorities of any potential issues. This can include anything from a fire outbreak to a security breach, allowing a quick response to prevent further damage. The more quicker the action, the lesser the damage. AI also can be used to prioritize alarms based on their severity and likelihood of occurrence. If I take an example, if a fire alarm goes off in a building, it would take a precedence over a low battery warning in a security camera. By prioritizing alarms, the advantage is that AI can help ensure that the most pressing issues are addressed first, enabling more efficient response. Now let us look into what are some specific ways in which AI is being applied in the field of remote alarm management. One of the very important area is the false alarm filtration. This is one of the biggest challenges as well. One of the biggest challenges in remote alarm management is in the high rate of false alarms, which can waste a valuable time and resources and their effort, leading to complacency among personnel. I've seen in control room environment many of the operators getting into complacency because of a heavy load of false alarm coming into their work area. AI technologies can be used to filter out false alarms by analyzing patterns and correlations in the data, as well as by learning from human feedback. If you take an example, an AI system might be able to recognize that an alarm that is triggered by a specific sensor is usually a false alarm, and automatically it can suggest to ignore it in the future. Okay. Now let us look into the next area, which is also very important, is predicting potential issues. AI technologies can be used to predict potential issues before they become critical, allowing organizations to proactively address the problems and prevent the downtime. This is very important. This can be done by analyzing data from devices and systems, as well as by learning from the past failures and maintenance activities. Let us take an example. An AI system might be able to recognize patterns in the data that indicate imminent failure and generate an alarm to alert personnel to take preventive action. Traditional alarm management systems actually required a regular monitoring of or the activities, and as well as the inspections on a regular basis to ensure that everything was in order. However, with the use of artificial intelligence, it is now possible to automate many of these tasks, leading to more efficient and cost-effective maintenance process. Now let us look into the prioritization of alarms based on severity. With a large number of alarms coming in any given point in time, it is very important to prioritize the alarms based on their severity and impact. This is where AI technologies can help. AI technologies can be used to classify and rank alarms based on factors such as the type of device, the location, the history of alarms. Let us take an example. An AI system might be able to recognize that an alarm coming from a critical piece of equipment is more likely to require an immediate attention than an alarm coming from a non-critical device. So always a top priority alarms can be handled by prioritizing alarms with the help of AI technologies. Also, let us look into the remote monitoring part of remote alarm management. Remote monitoring with AI cameras is an important aspect of AI technologies usage in remote alarm management. AI cameras can be used to remote alarm management system to predict problems or abnormalities and trigger an alarm in response. These cameras use computer vision technology to analyze video feeds and identify the patterns or anomalies that may indicate a malfunction or any other type of issue. One potential application of AI cameras in remote alarm management is in the monitoring of industrial or commercial facilities. If we look into an example, an AI camera could be used to monitor a manufacturing plant for equipment malfunctions or safety hazards. The camera could be programmed to recognize certain patterns or behaviors that may indicate a problem, such as a conveyor belt is stopped in between during the working hours, or a worker performing an unsafe action. When an issue is detected, the camera can trigger an alarm to alert the appropriate personnel. Thereby, we can take an immediate action on the issue. AI also can be used for enhancing communication and collaboration in remote alarm management. AI technologies can be used to facilitate communication and collaboration among personnel who need to respond to alarm. Maybe it's an operator or maybe the supervisor or the manager or the management team. This can include the use of natural language processing to understand and interpret alarms and related information, as well as the use of chatbots, nowadays very common, or other virtual assistants to provide guidance and support. For example, an AI system might be able to understand an alarm message that is written in a natural language and provide a recommended course of action to the personnel who is responsible for responding to the alarm. AI can optimize the routing of alarms to an appropriate personnel, whereby you're saving the time and taking an immediate action. For example, if there is a fire in a building, and the AI system can alert the fire department and the building's maintenance team, ensuring that the right people are notified in a timely manner and you're taking a quick action to reduce the damage. Now let us look into streamlining processes and decision making with the help of AI. AI technologies can be used to streamline processes and decision making in remote alarm management. This can include in the integration of alarms with other systems and data sources, such as asset management, the maintenance team, as well as the use of machine learning to optimize workflows and prioritizing the task. For example, an AI system might be able to analyze data from multiple sources to determine the root cause of an alarm and provide a recommendation for the most efficient way to resolve it. The use of AI in remote alarm management can bring numerous benefits to organizations, including improved accuracy and relevance of alarms, more effective response and resolution, and of course, increased efficiency and productivity. However, it is important for organization to carefully consider the specific needs and goals of their remote alarm management systems, as well as the potential challenges and considerations while implementing AI technologies in remote alarm management. It is also important to keep up the latest developments and best practices in the field of AI and remote alarm management into consideration while implementing it. In addition to these benefits, the use of AI in remote alarm management can also help to reduce the risk of human errors. This is one of the important factors in the field of remote alarm management and the operators and the control room environment. Alarm management systems rely on the accuracy and speed of their operators, and many mistakes can have serious consequences. With AI handling many of these tasks, the risk of human error is significantly reduced, leading to more reliable and efficient system. Now let us look into some of the challenges. This is one of the very important part of our talk today. While there are many benefits to using AI in remote alarm management, there are also some challenges and considerations that need to be taken into account. One of the very important challenge is the risk of bias in the data used to train AI systems. This is very common in nowadays. This can lead to inaccurate or unfair results. It is important to ensure that AI systems are trained on a diverse and representative data sets to minimize the risk of bias. Another very important challenge is the potential risk in cyber threats. Remote alarm management systems are often connected to the internet and may be vulnerable to hacking and other forms of cyber attacks. It is important to ensure that appropriate security measures are in place to protect against these threats. Now let us conclude our talk. In conclusion, AI is playing an increasingly important role in the field of remote alarm management, providing a range of benefits that can improve the efficiency, effectiveness, and accuracy of alarm systems. While there are challenges, we have already seen some of the challenges. While there are challenges and considerations taken into account, the use of AI in remote alarm management system has the potential to significantly improve. This is where all the actions need to be taken. Thank you for your time today. And if you have any further queries on the subject and information about our wide range of products on remote alarm management system, please visit our website. Thank you and have a nice day.